have I got a treat for you. So I've been growing my underarms just to help you guys out with how to wax them properly from home. And with the hard wax, it is doable. It may be a trickier area of the body, but trust me, with this step-by-step guide, you'll be a pro at it in any time. Hi guys, my name's Becky and I am a licensed esthetician. I am somebody who's here to help you with your waxing journey. So once you're ready to start, you want to get yourself into something comfortable where you're able to reach all of the hairs. Get your pre-wax cleanser, spray your cotton wool, and then just rub over the area. This is important to get rid of any deodorant, sweat, or any other dirt that's on the actual area that you're about to wax. If you're someone that is super sweaty, this is an area that is now suitable to then pop a bit of talc 3 powder. Just rub it into the area and that will absorb any sweat or moisture that is in the hair. This will make the hot wax grip onto the hair a lot better for you. As you can see, the hair growth on the underarm isn't always in one direction. You'll have hair that grows down, hair that grows up, and sometimes there's a third direction in the middle. So make sure you look where your direction of hair growth is. This is key to helping you to stop breaking any hair. You want to break it into sections so that you're able to remove against the hair growth. So I'm going to start with the bit that grows underneath. There's no right or wrong. Wherever you want to start and wherever you're most comfortable, do that first. So I'm right-handed, so this side's going to be a lot easier. With my spatula, I'm going to add some hot wax onto my spatula. Twizzle, 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 straight over to the area that I'm about to wax. I'm going to break it down by starting the wax being applied to the hair that's growing down. I'm going to push into them little hairs, making sure it's gripping them well, building up where my handle is to pull. Make sure that you stretch the skin and keep it nice and taut as you're applying. This will help to give you a smoother application. As you can see where my arms are, they are placed here, stretching the skin up in this angle with my fingers. It's not the most comfortable position, but it's a position that will help you to make sure you wax safely. Once the wax is set, then you'll be able to pull your handle and up against the hair growth. Just a few things to remember. If you do have skin tags underneath the underarm, this is completely fine. Skin tags are safe to wax over and it's very common to find them in the underarm area. Now I'm going to make sure my hand placement is exactly where I need to stretch. Get my handle and I'm going to pull nice and quick and firm against them hairs. Straight up, and then hand placement if need be to get rid of any of that sting. And what you'll see is all the hairs on your wax strip. Now we're ready to get the hair that's growing in the opposite direction. We're going to reapply some more wax onto our spatula and start now this time moving up in the direction of hair growth that's on the other part of my underarm. Don't be alarmed if you're someone that has very thick, coarse underarm hair. If you're somebody that has shaved a lot in this area, this is really common to find follicle blood that comes away after you've pulled your strip. So if you see little spots of blood coming to the surface, this is a good sign. It means that your coarse hair has been pulled straight from the root and the blood supply to the hair has now come to the surface. You haven't tore any skin or anything dangerous hasn't happened. It should stop quite quickly with a little bit of pressure or wipe away with some pre-wax cleanser. It will take it all away and you're ready to carry on with your wax. Once you're set with your wax, you're then ready to now pull downwards against the hair growth. Use your hands again as best as you can. As awkward as it is, you need to get as much support as you can with your underarm. If you don't, you will bruise and it will feel tender. So stretch where you can. If someone is in your household that is able to stretch for you, make them stretch from as high as they can up here. Otherwise, just support yourself as best as you can. Get your handle. Once you've got your grip, quick pull down and remove the remaining hair that's left. Once you're finished, you then want to apply your after wax oil to the area that you've waxed. This will make it feel a lot more smoother. It also will just help with any dryness on the skin where you've just pulled away. Trust me, you don't want to be putting any deodorant on or any high perfume products straight after. Leave it 24 hours before you do. This is to stop any irritation on the underarms. Remember, it's an area that's sensitive and where we sweat a lot. Once you've applied your after wax oil, enjoy smoothness for weeks.